This is how I do my brows if I want them to be really perfect and really done. This is Be Perfect Indestructi-Brow, and I'm pushing it backwards through the brow so that I'm pushing all the brows back on themselves so that I can coat the back side of the brow so that it will stick wherever I put it. Now I'm brushing them into place. So pushing all the brows upwards and then outwards and downwards on the outside edge. Now I go upwards with the brow like that because it gives me a little bit more width. As you know, I have 3 brow hairs, so we have to make the most of them. Using tiny little flicks to get hairs in at the front of the brow. And you can see I have some residual microblading there, which is actually quite helpful because it gives me a little bit of a line to follow. If you don't have that, you can just use a very light eyeshadow so you can see where you're going. I'm now using a thicker line to create more depth at the back of the brow where I don't have any natural brow hair. And I mix between 2 shades. So I'm using here Spiked, which is a very warm brown from MAC, and Stud, which is more of an ashy brown. You'll see me mix between the 2. So once I've got the basic shape in, which was that one, I now do the final touches, which I'm doing now. And I start to put in some extra hairs just to throw it off so it doesn't look perfect. So you'll see me do that now. I'll just put in a few rogue hairs that will make the brow look a little bit more like it's natural, you see? And then both brows are done. And then this is what the makeup will look like afterwards. So there you go. I hope that's useful. I will put alternatives for the products I've used, some cheaper options, into the description box so you can check those out. Thanks. Bye.